What if I told you there's an uncensored AI platform that every serious creator, builder, and entrepreneur is quietly using in 2026, and most people searching for the best AI tools have never even heard of it? It's called Uncensored.com, and once you see what this AI platform can actually do, you're going to wonder how you were ever walking without it. Here's the reality of where most AI chatbots and AI tools are right now. You ask something real, you get a watered down answer. You push for a genuine opinion, you get a diplomatic non-response carefully designed to say absolutely nothing useful. You try something slightly creative and suddenly you're hitting invisible content walls. And somehow you're paying for 5 different AI subscriptions across 5 different platforms, all with the exact same problem. You're doing more tool switching than actual work. Uncensored.com was built specifically to fix all of that. One AI platform, all the best models in one place, real honest outputs, and a level of creative freedom that most AI tools simply won't give you. So here's what you're actually working with. The interface is clean, fast, zero friction. You're straight into it the moment you land. First thing you'll notice, the model library. Uncensored.com gives you access to every top AI model in one dashboard. Closed source, open source, constantly updated, no more platform hopping depending on the task, it's all right here. And here's what most AI platforms won't let you do: combine models. Run a prompt through their in-house model, then layer in Sora 2 Pro for a specific output, and you're getting results neither model could produce alone. The in-house model specifically is in a class of its own, genuinely one of the most capable and honest AI models. I've tested that core mod. Try what you want to build, automate or weeks, and each increase clean and working code, not a drug depth. Not something you waste an hour debugging. Actual functional output ready to ship. Refine it, iterate on it, all in the same window. For developers and indie builders, this AI code generator is a serious time weapon. Live web search is built right in, so the AI isn't guessing from outdated training data, it's pulling real-time information as you prompt. For research, current events, market analysis, anything where accuracy and recency matter, this is a massive upgrade over every other AI platform. Then there's the Image Studio. Generate stunning, high-quality AI images with far fewer restrictions than anywhere else. Realistic scenes, commercial-grade visuals, creative concepts that look like you hired a professional designer generated in seconds. For content creators, marketers, and anyone scaling visual output, this feature alone makes the platform worth it. At the Video Studio, specifically the image-to-video AI, this one genuinely impressed me. Feed it a first frame, define where you want the scene to land, and it generates smooth, realistic motion in between. The output quality is seriously strong. This isn't a gimmick feature, it's a full AI video production tool that belongs in every serious content workflow. But here's the real reason people keep coming back to Uncensored.com and why I call it an unfair advantage. Most AI has been trained to be agreeable, safe, inoffensive. Sounds fine until you need actual help with a real decision, a real business problem, or a real creative challenge, and you need the truth, not a carefully softened version of it. Uncensored.com's models keep it real, unbiased opinions, straight answers, genuine feedback, like having a brutally honest, extremely smart advisor available around the clock. The kind of responses that actually move the needle for your content, your business, your ideas. And yes, it can also be hilarious when you want it to be, not AI trying to be funny, actually funny. Voice mode, speech in, speech out, fast and expressive, full hands-free AI conversations with real emotional range.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
And this suggested impulse feature means you're never staring at a blank prompt box wondering where to start. It guides you straight into the work. Developers, there's an app in beta right now. If building on top of this AI model access fits what you're working on, the waitlist is filling fast. Early access to something like this is always worth moving on quickly. One platform, every top AI model, real answers, and Image Studio and Video Studio ahead of the curve. AI code generation that actually works, and an AI that treats you like an intelligent adult and who can handle the truth. Link is in the description. Go to Uncensored.com, sign up, and spend 15 minutes actually using it. That's all it takes. The work you do after that will not look the same.